What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, it's nighttime. I purposely wanted to do this video at night because I want to change the lights on Goliath. We're going to be putting some LED lights that I got from eBay. Very cheap LED lights. So yeah, I want to see what the difference is between the actual OEM headlights compared to these LEDs from eBay. Now, I'm not expecting them to last super long. Obviously, they're eBay lights, which is not a problem with me. I can always throw my OEM ones back on, but I just wanted to see how good cheap lights are. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe, tap that notification button so you can stay updated with the build, and let's get this going. Alright guys, so these are the LEDs that I got. It was 15 bucks for the set, for both of them. I mean, that's pretty cheap. That's not too bad. So if these don't last me too long, I ain't even gonna be mad. For 15 bucks, can't really go wrong. So I just opened it up. I mean, it looks pretty good. Looks like it might have the low beam and the high beam together. We're gonna install this real quick and we want to check how these guys look. So as you guys can see, this is how the OEM lights look, and then we'll do a comparison to how the HIDs, well, LEDs look. Alright, so on these EGs, these bulbs are pretty much the easiest to change. All you gotta do is right here, you're gonna push that metal clip in and up, and that's it. This comes out. Oh, I just disconnected the clip, the connector. But bulb literally slides right out. One of the easiest headlights to change. Alright, so we got our LED bulb here. I'm gonna put this on real quick. I'm gonna keep the OEM ones just in case, but to install this, obviously is the reversal of the removal. So I'm gonna put these on real quick and then show you guys how it looks. And just like that, guys, we are done. This install literally took like 2 minutes, if that. But for this being some $15 eBay LEDs, I think it looks pretty good. So that's gonna wrap up today's video. Nice, quick, easy install, and I'll catch you guys on the next.